Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use CX File Explorer. Open the app and tap Allow to grant storage permissions, then explore the Home categories to locate files quickly. Use the navigation drawer to access local, cloud, and network storage. Long press files to see actions like copy, move, compress, and share. Remember to check the recycle bin and clean cache to save space and stay organized daily. Browsing files in CX File Explorer is simple and fast. Tap folders to open them, swipe to move between tabs, and use the search bar when you know a file name. Long press a file to reveal quick actions like copy and share. Use filters to show only images, videos, or documents when you need to find media. Sorting by date or size helps when cleaning up space or finding recent downloads. Managing files with CX File Explorer gives you control without fuss. Select one or many items to copy, move, delete, or rename using the bottom toolbar. Compress files into zip archives to share multiple items easily or extract archives you receive. Add folders to favorites or create home shortcuts for instant access. Use built-in viewers for images and text so you do not need additional apps for common file types.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.